What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I'm about to get rid of the I don't have the money objection completely. Because if you have $7, which everybody do, you can start a business online. Simple as that, right? It don't have to be complicated. And in this blog post, I share how that is no longer an excuse. $7 system pays you unlimited $6 commission, no monthly fees, and just one sale a day is $180 for the month. You don't have to think about spending $7. If you do, you're not ready for business, just being real. And if you simply are completely broke and you need to go to ClickBank or JVZoo or some free affiliate program, then that's the route you have to take. But I'm telling you, using that route is going to take lots of time, lots of connections. You're going to have to build an enormous list. Then you got to follow up with your list. But let's just be real. If you have $7, you can get started in this. So check out the blog post in the link down below and get your foot in the door, right? And inside, you're going to see how it's all done for you. You're going to see my primary business where you can make up to $2,000 per sale. Instant commissions. Oh, wow. You pick how you get paid. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, straight cash. You make the decision. But in front of that, I want to lead with something that's very simple. If you don't have a business, start with this. If you have a business and you're happy with your business, you can use this to find the type of people that you want your business to be in front of, because this also promotes your primary. It's a system. The system promotes itself, and it promotes any opportunity, any link that you place inside of it. So if you're serious about growth, check it out. My name is Michael Petty. I'll see you in the next video.